When you have a FPV drone, you have to find the channel that the drone camera is on, and that's the boring part. But what if the goggles would connect automatically? This drone does that. Let's see. Compared with ordinary FPV drones, DJI Avata supports motion control to provide more immersive flight experience. The drone only does not include motion control and goggles. You can use the motion controller, which is similar to controlling an airplane. If you want the G goggles and motion controller, you should choose Avata Pro View Combo, which includes DJI Goggles 2 and DJI Motion Controller, which can perform intuitive control through hand and head movements to provide an experience immersive sensory with flexibility and ease. In short, it gives the feeling that they are really flying. Flying is easy, point and go. The drone follows your hand movements and allows users of all skill levels to fly with confidence, and a good scare when you crash. Oh, and speaking of crashing, if you crash into something, it has good stability, so you can keep on fly, and if you need to brake, you can stop instantly by pressing a button. And if you crash and land on your back, you have turtle mode, and you're still like if nothing has happened. The battery life is the 18 minutes of fly time. Finally, the drone have max range video transmission of 10 kilometers. For more information, click down below. Thank for watching and see you the next time.